Oi. Maya, Tilly, you want to hop up? And Maya, let go of Tilly's shoe. Let go. You want to stretch it? You have to ask Tilly if you want to because it's her shoe.
Mom, Tilly, can I touch you? Look. No, my foot is mine. Can I touch your shoe? No, my foot is yours.
Maya! No throwing. No throwing. No throwing. Oh, be careful. Hey, who's the shopkeeper? I'm really hungry. Oh, I'm really hungry, Tilly. Can you make me a sandwich?
I'm making hungry, Mummy.
Oh, thank you.
Crab is hungry again.
Oh, yes, the crab looks very hungry.
Oh, the crab. Here you go, Tilly. Thanks, Maya. Thank you. I need white. No, that one. Hi, Tilly. Get this one. No, Tommy, let this one there. This one. Mommy, I got that one. Here.
Oh, you got that one. Are you going to be a waitress now? Bring it over. Thank you.
There. 1, 2, crab. 2, 3. Whoa, look.
One for the crab.
Need that pot. No pot. No pot is please. I want pot. Oh, lollipop, Maya.
Maya, no throwing. Remember, we roll it or we hand it over. Okay? You remembered that, didn't you?
I need the Maya. I need the ice cream, Maya. Here you go. I don't know. That's the ice cream. No, I don't know. Where's this one? No, thank you. Good one there, Maya.
Well done for Tilly. Well done for using your manners. Well done. I heard you say thank you.
I got the purple.
You got a purple one.
Purple too.
Oh, so do you,
I
Maya.
got purple too. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Look, I got the purple.
Oh, purple.